Well, everyone, we are moving our furniture today. Not all of it, just a few items. Got a couple of friends here. Danny on the front end, Kevin on the back end. Tenemos una expresión en English. Tu romperlo, tu comprarlo. Well, we just got here. Our friends Kevin and Danny are in the truck. It was raining cats and dogs in Aloha. And when we got here, there isn't hardly even a drop of rain on the ground, but it has started raining now, so we'll see how much rain we're gonna get. It never rains in Malacatus. That is not absolutely true, but we'll see. Okay, we're gonna get this stuff unloaded then. Hey everyone, it is a Sunday night. As I mentioned earlier, we were gonna be sleeping over on Sunday night. It's our first sleepover in our new house. So we're in our kitchen. We just got a few things here to cook with, and not much else. We set up a couple of beds.
What you making?
I'm making beans. No, frying some onions and some zucchini. My wife is cooking, steaming some vegetables and warming up some chicken. That's all we're having tonight. Hey, good morning, everyone. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. We stayed overnight last night here. Didn't get much sleep. Heard all the sounds from the roof creaking and groaning. The wind, the rain on the roof, just completely different context, so it was a little bit difficult to sleep. Anyway, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is raining here. Not horribly bad, but just having a machine come in here this morning, a backhoe. So that's the plan today. Yeah, so we had to remove the gate, which I was hoping not to have to do, just because it wouldn't open far enough. Now we got to be really careful of the roof here as well. So. I don't know if you can see there, but the machine is turned around now. I was wondering earlier why he didn't turn around and use the front bucket to remove the dirt, because it's faster. My workers here said it's because if he uses the back bucket, it takes more time and he gets more money. So you have to tell him to use the front bucket. It's a bit strange here. Anyways, things are going good. It's really cheap. These guys are literally, this backhoe is $20 an hour. 20 bucks an hour. I mean, you can't hire a person with a shovel for 20 bucks an hour hardly in Canada. So the problem we have here digging this hole is that you can see it up in the top there. The corner of the roof is right there. And he has to lift the dirt way up and over top of the wall to get it back out. So, by the end of the day, we ended up with two gigantic holes. One up here and one down here. So that is what we accomplished today. Two gigantic holes in the ground. One for the cistern up top, one for basically it's this septic drain tank, I guess you could call it. It's like a drain field, but it's just all in one spot. Okay, that's it for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. So today is the day for materials to come. We've got the cement, boards, we've got metal coming, we've got ladrillos, which are cement blocks, red cement blocks. They brought a load already and they're bringing another load.
Stop. We're going to sing it. Ecuador Roads, Take Me Home.
Okay, so yesterday we were in town in Loja, and the guys worked on the septic, or I should say they worked on the cistern. So they poured some cement in the bottom just to give themselves a level working surface, and then they've put metal bars, framework around the outside. Well, this is our roof structure. We've got some metal drywall studs that have been connected together and run crosswise. And then we've got them suspended with another track running above that. And they're suspended with another piece of these drywall studs. We're going to be attaching tongue and groove pine to this. Hey everyone, it is a Sunday afternoon here in Malacatos. We were back in Loja for part of the weekend. Normally on Friday night I do a little summary of what I accomplished all week. Hopefully we accomplished something. But I've had the flu since Sunday night. I still have it. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice or not. But yeah, I've had the flu all week. Really have felt horrible. My throat, my nose, back of my neck, everywhere. Don't know if it was COVID's or if it's just a regular flu or what it was. But Friday night we just headed back. I was so tired. And in fact the road was closed on Friday morning. One of our workers coming from Loja had to get out of one bus, walk around the block in the road, the landslide, and catch another bus and come down. Anyway, for that reason, I didn't take time to do a review, but I'm going to do that now. As you've seen from some of the footage, they've been really progressing well on the cistern. They've got several layers of brick accomplished. Danny has been working inside. He's gotten the one master bedroom done with the structure and the ceiling. So thanks very much for watching, for tuning in, supporting the channel, and we will talk to you next time.